think I've got it right. So, you would not believe it. I'm back in our survival world. Woohoo! Yeah! So, let's just get to it. I've got no clue what to do today. I finally found out how to make glowstone, so I might continue with the sword room. Got a fly. Woo! Yeah, guys, so you actually forgot all about this world. Is it planning to right, get some more fresh stone. I know we don't get it all done today. That's that done. I'm thinking, what can I do too? I could build like a new village. I was gonna go and do something, but I can't. Wait, I want to know something. Where is my iron sword? I was just about to say I could make like a little nether part, but I was just about to say I don't have the stuff. Oh, I actually do. Like a little nether house. Where's my iron sword? Can't remember where I put it. Really? Wait, it's in here. No! What the hell? Yeah, well, it's gonna be here, so like every time I have a why? I was breaking just to get come back. Right, to this world. So we're getting some progress done. Really good. Then it. Oh, I've made a mistake. I might just punch that bit because I've got lots of, two stacks. I really never know. Get out of here. Not been to the nether in a while. This is all the area I've got to build with. Oh, now I need to get rid of all of this rubbish. Get out of here. Let's get all this rubbish out of here. Right, so I don't want to actually build the house today because it might take a while. We don't have like I don't have like lots of netherrack. Yeah, I'll build a new village. I can actually. Oh, I know. Right, so it's gonna be a lot more different. It's gonna be different from like the village that I had when I started building. Because that village I've not finished. That village is just like that. Yeah, I need lots of dirt. Wait, I don't know if I'd have dirt in the house. I put chests on around in here right now. There you go. And we've got some cooked chicken. Right, let's go. Let's get back to business. So, this village is just going to be like a place where I've got like stuff kept, but like, I don't know how to explain it. Making progress on oh, seriously? At least it got me out of there. Whoa. No! That creeper blew up and now I'm in this. Get out of here. Oh crud, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Die. Gonna die. Get out of here. Alright, well, I'm just gonna patch the roof up there. Yeah. Ouch. Again. Yeah, guys, see this level? Like, that level of the mobs thing, just to get some mobs. Yeah, that's not gonna be, I'm not gonna be using that anymore. Started digging a lot more and mined out, like, I've not actually, like, mined it all out. I've only got a bit done, so, that, yeah. Try to get rid of all of this food and 2 more bits. Right, let's go and get to this. Let's just cover that up there. So, I was just wondering if he was going to start trouble, and he is. Oh, he's lucky. Oh, it's getting there. Because I don't have my sword anymore. Because I don't know what it really is. I'm dead. Wait, go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. Right, so. Now, we've got a lot more room. Get out of here. I'm out here. Woo! Oh, crud. So much stuff just lying around. Let's grab it all. I think I've really annoyed the creeper so much that he really wants to kill me. I think like every creeper hates me. Done. I hate doing that. I always end up trying to shoot 4 and then it takes 3 to kill them. And I just have to shoot it to the ground. Right, so let's put on my little booties. Well, I've wasted 9 minutes just on rubbish. Right, so let's just start let's just put the lights. Fire charge. Fire charge coal. What's the difference? So, how do you make fire charge? I don't think I'll get any blaze. How do I think so. Let's just do on with this house. It's got to be like I get an idea. Dun 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 dun. Right, so we've got these ones. Oh, that's quite nice actually. So how many? Let's get down onto them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, yeah, 5. I don't have any. Right, so it's going to be different. It's just going to be cobble. No, it's just going to be birch. So, 5. 3. Cut off that part, and then we need to do this again. There. This is a big circle. Wait, I forgot again. Guys, I'll show you. Wait, I'll have to go now, so bye bye.